everyone. In the previous lecture, we have discussed the Naive classifier, and in today's lecture, we will discuss Bayesian belief network. The Naive classifier makes significant use of the assumptions that the values of the attributes are a1, a2, a2, an are conditionally independent given the target value v. Assumptions dramatically reduce the complexity of the learning of the target function. When it meets, the Naive classifier outputs the optimal Bayes classification. However, in many cases, this conditionally independence assumption is clearly over restrictive. So, in Naive classifier, all the variables are conditionally independent given the target value. But in Naive classifier, it reduces the complexity of learning the target function. But in Bayesian belief network, assumes that the subset of the variable are conditionally independent. A Bayesian belief network describes the probability distribution governing a set of variables specifying a set of the conditional independent along with the set of conditional probability. Conditional independence applies on subset of the variable. It is also known as causal because her occurrence of one event is the cause of the another event. We will discuss this in example. It describes joint probability distribution for the set of the random variable. So the joint probability distribution of the random variable y1, y2 up to yn can be given h. Probability of y1, y2 up to yn equal to product of I equal to 1 to n probability of yi given to parents of yi. This is represent the joint probability of any desired sequence of random variable. By using this formula, we will calculate the probability of the target value. Representation of Bayesian belief network. A Bayesian belief network represents the joint probability distribution for a set of variables. Joint probability distribution over the Boolean variables is represented in Bayesian network. Number 1. Bayesian belief network consists of a set of nodes for each random variable in a problem domain. In step 2, a directed acyclic graph is designed with the nodes. In third step, each node is associated with the probability of random variable events to occur, and in the next, conditional probability table is given for each variable which describes probability distribution for that variable given the values of its immediate predecessor. And by using this representation, how we will calculate the probability. Here we will define how directed acyclic graph works. In this category, we have three nodes: rain, dog bark, and cat hide. Rain, dog bark, and cat hide is represented by node, and age is represented by how when the rains, dog barks, when dog barks, cat hide. So this is represented as node, and dog barks given to rain is known as conditional probability. Convenient for representation probability relationship between multiple events by showing this acyclic graph. How we write the probability here? Suppose dog bark, we have assigned the value of x. The probability of dog bark given to rain. Dog bark is represented by x, and all the parent and rain is represented as parents. We calculate all the parents node. Now the conditional probability table is given. We will calculate this table. We know dog bark or not when rain. If rain, dog barks, we have taken the samples 8 divided by 10, and dog not bark when rain 2 by 10, and when not rain, dog bark 6 by 10, and when not rain, dog not barks 4 by 10. So when the probability of V is T and R equal to T, dog bark and rain happens. So the probability is 0.8. We calculate this b equal to t and r equal to f 0.6, b equal to f and r equal to t is 0.2, and b equal to f and r equal to f is 0.4. This is our conditional probability table. So now we will solve one example based on Bayesian belief network. So in Bayesian belief network, directed acyclic graph and conditional probability distribution. Directed acyclic graph is a graphical representation where no cycle is given. Note set of random variable, and here direct link is represented x tends to y. X is directly influenced on y. This is the representation. So now we discuss the problem. Burglar alarm at home problem. In burglar alarm at home, some steps are given. Fairly reliable at detecting burglary. Response at times to minor earthquake. Two neighbors on hearing alarm calls police. John calls hearing alarm calls police. Sometimes confuses with phone ringing with alarm and calls then too. And Mary likes loud music and sometimes misses alarms altogether. So this is the representation of Bayesian belief network of the given problem. First one, B is represented burglary, and E is represented by earthquake, and alarm is represented A, and John is represented capital J, and Mary is represented by capital M. So in this question, when the alarm ring, John and Mary have to call the police. But in this duration, burglary informs alarm, and earthquake so alarm ring based on B and E. So the value of probability of B is 0.001 and probability of E is 0.002. These are the value given in this question. So four cases are generated. Alarm is depend on burglary and earthquake, and burglary or not burglary, and earthquake and not earthquake. So there are four cases. B is represented burglary and E is represented earthquake. So B true true false false and E true false true true. So the probability of A when alarm rings, in this case the probability is given 0.95 and alarm not rings 0.05. When B is true and E is false, the value is 0.94 and 0.06, and when B false and E true, the value is 0.29 and the value is 0.71. When B is false and E is false, probability of A alarm rings 0.001 and alarm not rings 0.009. So these are the values given in the question. So the next table is John calls or not calls, depend on the alarm ring or not ring. So the alarm value is true or false. Probability of J means John equal to true, John calls is 0.90 and John not calls 0.10 when the alarm rings. And when the alarm not ring, probability of true is 0.05 and the probability of false is 0.95. So now in the case of Mary parent is alarm. So alarm is the value of alarm is true or false, and probability of Mary calls is true or false, Mary calls or not false. So when alarm ring, the probability of Mary calls is 0.70 or not calls is 0.30, and when the alarm not rang 0.01 and 0.99. So these are the probability belongs to Mary. These are the questions given, the values are given here. So now we will have to calculate probability of J, M, A, not B, not E. So we have to calculate the probability according to this given question. Probability of J, M, A, not B, not E. How we read this terminology? J means John calls, M means Mary calls, A means alarm rings, and negation B means no burglary and no earthquake. So we have to calculate the probability on these terminology. So by using the formula, we will calculate the probability of this question. So probability of J given to A, probability of M given to A, probability of A given to not B, comma not E, and probability of not B multiplied by probability of not E. So in this question, the value of the probability of J depends on alarm. So alarm is the parent of John and Mary. So the probability of J given to A when John calls and alarm rings, and when Mary calls alarm rings, and when alarm parent is burglary and earthquake. So when alarm rings, no burglary and no earthquake, and finally we have to calculate the probability of no burglary and no earthquake. So the value of these are mentioned in the table. So the value of John given to A is 0.90 and 0.70, 0.001, 0.999 and 0.998. So we calculate all the values, and the value of the probability of this given question is 0.0062. Thank you very much.